Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. I thought I'd bring a little vlog action today. Got some things I need to do around the house, some things I have been working on. Been doing a lot of pressure washing today and yesterday. Got the front of the house done yesterday, got the back of the house done today, and now I got to work on the workspace here. It's been neglected, so time to clean it up. Yeah, it is a beautiful Wednesday afternoon as I'm filming this, and let's go ahead and in honor of Erica at Not Your Average EDC, let's see what we're sipping and what we're flipping. I am sipping Classic Coors Light and flipping Spider Copair 3. Fresh edge on this thing. Oh my god. It's a laser beam. I love it. Yeah, so that's what I'm rocking today. Sorry. That's what I'm rocking today. Everything else is pretty average. Wallet, phone, keys, key bar, you name it. Normal EDC. Wearing shorts today, so yeah, I wanted to go ahead and rock a bit of a lighter knife, and I've just been carrying the Para 3 lately. I've been loving it, so yeah. Alright, let's get to it. We're going to start by getting everything out of here, and then we'll organize it back in. That's the way I like to work, so let's do it. Alright, so it looks like a bit of a yard sale out here. Air compressor and whatnot. Yeah, so a lot of this stuff is going to the dump soon. I've just got to make that happen. Okay guys, we are all done. The workspace is as clean as I can get it right now without taking all that shit to the dump. Next, we are going to clean the yak out. I got access to a pressure washer for a couple days, so I've been pressure washing like crazy around the property, around the house, should I say. Yeah, I'm going to pull that thing around. It's a really neat little electric pressure washer, but I'll pull that thing around and get all set up in the front and go to town on the yak. It's got a nice little layer of mildew growing on it, so yeah, we're gonna get that off and get her all cleaned up, get her back to her former glory. So yep, I've been sharpening like crazy since I got my new stones for the work sharp. Like I said earlier, I did the Para 3. Nothing too special, just a good edge. I stuck with the factory angle and just went with that. So yeah, much better than factory, I think, and it's just as slicey as ever. So, but yeah, I did this one. I did my Manix 2. I did my Native 5. I did a couple more knives in my collection. I've just been on a sharpening kick, which is good. I learn something new every time I sharpen. So yeah, it's good. All right, let's get to the yak. I've been putting it off all day, but yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm doing the yak, and it's coming out beautifully. This is what I have done, and that's what I haven't done. It's really taken all the dirt and grime off of it. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse, and let's get to it. Hey all, got done with the kayak and just got done with the Civic. She needed it bad. Yeah, we get this like green slime that just grows on things during the winter if you don't really keep up with it, and I haven't kept up with it. So this is a little pressure washer I was using, a little Ryobi joint. It really gets the job done. It's impressed the hell out of me. I've used a lot of pressure washers, like working construction and stuff like that. And yeah, this one actually is like, it's a beast. It cuts through the shit. So yeah, this is just kind of what an average afternoon, evening looks like for me. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for the continued support on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.